Hey guys, this is Vicki with Southern Crossroad Creation. Really cute spring Easter craft tonight. This is a wood cutout from Target Dollar Spot. So I'm going to show you the few supplies here. These are just some eggs that I got at Hobby Lobby, and this paper, y'all. I know you know I've been showing this paper. It's absolutely beautiful. And then this piece right here is kind of like a tile backsplash from Dollar Tree. Do some Mod Podge, and we're going to decoupage these eggs. So that's the first step we're going to do, so we can lay these aside and we can actually get these done. So again, you've probably all have decoupage before. Just put your paper on there and then your Mod Podge. Now the Mod Podge is for paper, so make sure that you use that kind. And then all I did was I just traced the wood onto the sheet here and then cut it out. We're going to take some Waverly chalk paint, the plaster color, and then just go ahead and paint it all over. I only did one coat because most of it will be covered up with our pocket flowers. So, but I did want to do the back of this, and so I painted that on the back. So the next step, you're just going to hot glue that right onto your wood piece. And then I just love this antique gold rub and buff. And if even any of these supplies that you need, just message supplies and I'll get these to you. And all I did is some people use a brush, some use a sponge. I just like to use my fingers because I can control it a little bit better. And I just rubbed all the highlights of this piece. Then what I did is I took both of my fingers and rubbed them together so that I could get it kind of really thin. And then I wanted to do the inner parts of that piece. I didn't want it so stark white. I wanted it to kind of be a little bit kind of more like it's been worn a little bit. The next step I'm going to do is take some of this foam, floral foam. I'm going to hot glue that right on there. And then I took some muslin and just cut a strip. Now, it was too thin to do just one a piece, and so I doubled it. And then I put the opening at the top, and then we're going to take some furniture nails and just nail those, the upholstery nails, and just nail them right into the corners of the piece of wood. This just gives it a little bit more stability. It also holds everything to your piece of wood. These are, the nails here are actually, I got them at Lowe's, or any of your home improvement stores you can get them at. They're over kind of where all the nails and everything are. So the next step we're going to do is take some floral picks that I got at Walmart. And then they're really thin floral picks once you cut them apart. So again, my little trick that I do is I just take a barbecue skewer and I just make a hole. And then that way those, put a little bit of hot glue and those go in pretty easily. Then these little eggs here, once they dried, you're going to take the skewer and just poke it into the bottom of the egg and then place those in the little pocket. Again, some lavender and put those in there. And then the white flowers that you see, those are from Walmart, but those are paper. I've used them on multiple projects. And when you get these picks, they have so many different flowers, I mean, so many different ones on there that you can use these for multiple projects. Then I went ahead and took two more of the upholstery nails, put them up at the top, and that just secured everything in place. So nothing's going to come apart. And then the last step, you know, again, it's all in the details. I took some rope from Dollar Tree. Go ahead and trim up your pocket there. And then take your rope. I was just kind of measuring to see where it would be best to end with. And I thought it would be best just to go all the way around the pocket. So I just hot glued that right onto the edge there. And it just kind of finishes the pocket off, which I thought it made just a big difference. Now, again, there's so many things you could do with this as well. You could make a tag for it. There's just all kinds of things. I decided I was just going to do a small little bow at the top. And what I did is I went ahead and went around that, which I thought was really sweet as well. And it just kind of looks as if everything there is just kind of, you know, hanging out in the basket there, and just really cute little thing there. So the next step, I took some of the ribbon, and this was also from Dollar Tree, just tied a regular bow on it and put it right there at the side. Again, thank you so much for being on my page. Please pass it down the road for me, which means share, like, and comment. And again, if you want supplies, I always try my best to get the supplies right out to you. And if you have any questions, please feel free to message me and or put a comment, and I will get those answers for you. And for more, you can visit SouthernCrossroadCreations.com, and I will see you next time. Thanks, guys.